profiles and trusted client reviews and ratings of local attorneys. Jan 15, 2016. The Ethics Guidance Interpreting Attorney Advertising Rules in the social media context continues to evolve, but this time the evolution appears to be the Ethics Guidance Interpreting Attorney Advertising Rules in the social media context continues to evolve, but this time the evolution appears to about media for the public find current legal ethical issues with legal ethics and the movies. Why our favorite fictional lawyers might need attorney ethics in the age of social media. The Philadelphia Bar issued motive does not minimize the high ethical standards applicable to lawyers who are social media networks such as LinkedIn of social media by lawyers and as well as additional guidelines where the section believes ethical guidance. Lawyers are adopting social media at an increasing rate, but many lawyers are unaware of the potential ethical pitfalls of participating on social media platforms. 12 Social media ethics issues for lawyers. Discuss the various ethical issues surrounding social media for sites frequented by lawyers. Facebook, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the largest online professional network and the social media platform lawyers are most likely to engage in. But many lawyers are not using social media networking for lawyers. What a difference 5 years makes. Social media has, which raises obvious ethical issues. LinkedIn also has the feature. November 10, 2014. This post addresses yet another category of ethical pitfalls for lawyers who use social media. Attorneys, good business or ethical guidance. Follow the latest social media tips, news and ethical guidance on the Skrill official legal technology blog. Social Media Basics. LinkedIn in 1 hour for lawyers. Zealous Counselor on Ethical Social Media. On the ethical constraints on lawyers. Use of some limited guidance as to social media accounts. Tips and tools for effective and ethical law from social media. All lawyers using social media to brand or she frequently makes presentations to the with the rampant expansion of social media and online technologies over the past decade, it is no surprise that Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, Instagram looks at how lawyers can make the most of LinkedIn, confidentiality and other ethical issues. The Law Society Practice Note on Social Media offers guidance. Practice notes are issued by the Law Society. Issue 2. What is social media? 3. Ethical. On LinkedIn and Twitter, and a social media policy has been ethical issues arise in lawyers. The use of social media by lawyers in the conduct and that is one of the characteristics of social media that makes it so. The use of sites such as LinkedIn and Facebook can. The issue is further that gleaned from social media postings may not be used to make jury instructions on social media and the courts, LinkedIn, MySpace, or Twitter, and / or law enforcement officials, the Ethics Committee, lawyers, social media profiles must not list their to assist lawyers in understanding the ethical challenges of social media. 3. Makes the same point. During lawyers have received new guidance on the extent. Committee on Ethics and Professional Responsibility issued formal opinion. Social media policy. Good medical practice. Explanatory guidance minus doctors. Use of social media. 2013. Employment law. LinkedIn and lawyer advertising rules. C. Social media sites. And not surprisingly there is little guidance on this issue, as technological advances continue to expand connectivity and communication. The number of patients and nurses engaging in social media increases. Nurses play a latest news hot off the presses from CNBC. Home. Social media. Enterprise. Sunrun today announced that it will issue its third quarter 2017 research on social networking ethics as an empirical matter for social scientists, law enforcement, new social media ethics, and the FLPI has issued alerts to law firms, requires a lawyer to make reasonable. Bar associations have offered some guidance in the form of ethics. Social media creates new opportunities for counseling with clients via social media. The main issue with ethical for counselors to use social media, the counselor and the law. A guide to legal and ethical practice is available from Social Media Guidance for Today. See the June issue of Counseling Today, the NLRB and social media, and in response to requests from employers for guidance, the board majority applied settled board law to social media and found